Welcome to R3 Design Studio, tutorial on how to add a bus. There's 5 steps to this process: uploading your pics using the component profiles, creating a thumbnail module using the component 2J Toolbox, creating a bus page using the component SP Page Builder, creating menu items using the menus component, and adding images to the main page using 2J Toolbox. Number 1, uploading pictures. Go to Profiles by going to Components, selecting Profiles. At this point, you have a choice to either create a new folder or uploading pictures to an existing folder. In this case, we're going to create a new folder. We'll name it. Click Apply. You'll then double click on that folder and upload pictures, either by selecting a file from your computer, clicking on Choose File, or in this case, I like to, let me click the red X here. I like to upload by drag and drop directly into the white space. Or you can do multiple files at a time by dragging and dropping multiple files. Voila. And you can also view differently by selecting the grid on the far right and changing the X to a checkbox so that you can actually view the files in the folder. Close out of this. Number 2, creating a thumbnail module with 2J Toolbox. We're just going to duplicate any existing page, test bus pics, save as a copy. You'll then remove the copy of and save again. After that, you can simply scan the directory which you just uploaded pictures to by going to the buses folder and selecting the bus in which you want to retrieve pictures from, in this case test. Put a check mark to select all pictures that you want to add. Click Save, click Close. And now the buses are now added to the test bus pics, blah, something like that. So now you can choose any gallery. In this case, we'll use Maximus Gallery, and we'll rename it. And select the test bus pics that you just used and save as copy. You can now close this and you have your module created. Number 3, create a bus page using SP Page Builder. To do this, you'll go to Components, SP Page Builder. You'll then select any bus. First thing you're going to do is rename it and remove the alias, in which you'll then save it as a copy. Next, you're going to add the title at the top of the page by clicking on the cog and retitling it. Now you'll edit the elements, starting with the module pop-up. This information is found here in the general info pop-up. That's the information that you'll be editing here. You'll edit and save. Next, you'll change the image. That is the main image here. And you'll click select. Go to the buses folder, select a file or folder of the buses that you want to choose, click on the picture, click insert, and that's it. Click save. Next, you'll select your thumbnails. Simply find the gallery that you want to add as thumbnails, save. Button you don't need to do anything with. The text block, you can add your information in here for the information on the text block. Save, and save and close. Number 4, create a menu item using menus. Go to the menus at the very top, select bus menu. You can click on any one because you're going to save it as a copy. So click it, rename it, remove the alias, and very important to select the page that you want to connect it to. And then you want to save as a copy. Be sure to save as a copy. It's important that you don't miss this so that you overwrite the existing menu item. So save as a copy. Also remember that by saving as a copy, menu items will automatically unpublish. So publish it. And save and close. And you'll see that the menu item is now in the bus list on the right. Voila. You have a bus page. Simple and easy. I'm going to unpublish this. Then you have your final page to create is adding a picture to the main page here. So, number 5, add image to main page using Tool-J Toolbox. You'll go to Components, Tool-J Toolbox, and you're looking for the See All Buses page. A lot of times I like to extend the page to show all. There it is. Click on See All Buses. You want to then scan the directory. And click on the buses folder. Select the bus folder of the bus you were looking for. Put a check mark back next to the one you want. And click save. Then click close after it's done. And you can look at it in resources. And wherever it is, somewhere in here. There it is. In this case, I'm going to delete it. Oh, you can also order it by dragging and dropping after clicking on the left arrows up there. Let's go ahead and get rid of it. Actually, I shouldn't have done that. Let's go ahead and add it again. Again, click on the checkbox, save, then close. Go to resources, find the bus you just uploaded, click on it, and you want to rename it to the bus name that you want it to say. And then the link type, you want to select link current page, and then we're going to type in the link. So this picture links to the correct bus page. To know what that is, you go to where you just came from, menus, bus page, and by looking at the alias tells you what the link is. There it is right there. So go back to 2J Toolbox. We'll find our test bus pics page, and you can see resources, test bus. That is the correct link. Okay, delete it. Of course, you don't have to delete it. Haha.